Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Please ignore the background because my sister is yelling at me for having an ugly baby face. So you're mean, Lena. You're mean. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys how to make a magnet grinder, alright? This is how you make a magnet grinder. Alright, so you want to place one up here. Get any block. I'm just putting some metal because I just like metal. And once you get metal, about like, I don't know, like how much blocks is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that is, wow, I got kicked out. Unbelievable. I got kicked out. I sort of got if it's full all of a sudden after I got kicked out. Bruh, I got kicked out. Okay, so back to what I was saying. This is how you make a magnet farm. A magnet grinder, magnet farm, magnet grinder. They're all the same. I mean, they're not all the same, but you know. Oh crap. Okay, so back to what I was saying. You wanna place down a pole, and then a block, any block, and any pole. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Build out 7 blocks, and then you wanna get like a pole. Yeah, any pole, by the way. You can do random poles. That just make it ugly, but it's a farm. You don't need it. I think you're supposed to make it like, yeah, like that. Make sure your movement is on 0.5, and you want to switch it back to 1, and then Eve is yelling. So first he was yelling for not getting shot at, and now he's yelling for. But yeah, this server, yeah, okay. After this, I need to leave because I have some YouTube videos to post, which is annoying because I post a lot. That's a pilot. You know, now that I think of it, just make sure your entire build, for this entire build, you want to have it 0.5. Because I really don't think you can make this build without 0.5 scale. And then you want to place down a gold block. I'm not sure if you can do it with any block, but just do it with a gold block, just in case. Okay, and then you want to get one of these bottles, like that, like that, and then you want to place down a gold block, about like that. No. Oh, this is hard, guys. Even I literally already have one, and this is hard. Maybe I shouldn't make a tutorial about something I don't even know how to build. Guys, am I dumb? Am I dumb for doing this? I think some people would agree. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm dumb. Yeah, I'm dumb. You guys think I'm dumb? I'm dumb. Yeah, I think I'm dumb.
Chụp này nè, chụp xem coi cho mẹ. Chụp tân trại cho mẹ nè.
Alright, and then you wanna. Okay, so screw all of that. So you wanna go back here, delete that all, and then you wanna go here, tappity tappy, tappity 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 tap until you get something like that. And then once you do, you wanna get a gold block. It could be any block, I think, but just be careful. Just take extra precaution and just use. Okay, Eve is going to wall, and they don't even have PvP on, so I have no idea how he's gonna win the wall. Oh, I know what to do now. You want to place a gold block.
แม่จะฟัง
And then you want to get a ball block like that. And then you want to save. I think this is how it
แต่
works.
ละ
And then you
อี
want
กคนนึงฮะ
to unanchor. I hope this works. I think it should work.
อัน
You
ที่
can
บ้าน
add
ก่อน
seats if
เท่าไหร่
you
ได้
want. Okay, and then activate the magnet.
เท่าไหร่อ่ะ
Okay, it is working. Yeah, it is working. Okay, it does work. Yeah, it does work. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Goodbye, guys.